Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing technical analysis in gold. The analysis will be done from the higher time frame to lower time frame. In all the time frame analysis, I will be sharing you the support and resistance levels. These levels will help you to decide on your entry and exit during your trade. Please watch the video fully without skipping to know all the levels. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. So from earlier also I have been highlighting that current price action is trying to form a head and shoulder pattern. It has completed the left side part of the head and shoulder. Now it is in the process of completing the right hand side of the head and shoulder pattern. It has completed the shoulder pattern of the right hand side. Now I am expecting it to retrace and test this bottommost support level or the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. So once it crosses this level, which is around 1754, we can expect a further fall and to complete this head and shoulder pattern. And when we closely analyze the price action also, it is trading within a range, or we can say it is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern. The lower side range is also becoming narrower and the upper side range also becoming narrower, which means that there is no direction in the market. The current price action is trading within this support and resistance level for now. Within this support and resistance levels, earlier price action was trading within this support and resistance level of 1762 and 1785. Currently it has moved or broken this resistance level and it is on the second level of support and resistance level. So if the price action want to move on the bottom side, it has to break this support level, the red color zone over here, then only it can move on the downside. It is still trading within this support and resistance level. I am expecting the current price action to consolidate over here, finally trend on the bottom side, because I am assuming the current price action is trying to replicate this part which has formed the head and shoulder pattern, and this part has been completed over here, and presently it is trying to form this part of the price action. Here you can notice that it is forming this part. I am expecting the price action to retrace and test on the bottommost support level like it has done over here. If the price action doesn't break this resistance level of 1815, we can expect it to retrace and come down and test on the 1754 bottommost support level. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action, from here it has started its downtrend, has taken support over here and the dynamic support level. From here it started its bullish trend. First it has tested the resistance level, again retraced back and tested the bottommost support level which is around 1785. Again it is trying to retrace and test this resistance level. So when we notice the overall price action, it is trying to form a double top pattern. Double top pattern means trend reversal. We can expect the price being rejected over here, then a trend reversal to happen and retest on the 1764 support level. Because we already know that price got rejected over here, we can expect the same price action to be repeated over here. So which means the confirmation of the double top pattern. To complete the double top pattern, it has to break this neckline of the double top pattern which is around 1785. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values marked in green color are the support and resistance for 4 hours time frame. So 4 hours time frames are more valid. So whenever price goes and tests these levels, there is a more chances that price will bounce back and retracement can happen. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. As explained in the 4 hours time frame, the trend was on the downside. it has taken support on this support area between 1789 and 1785, and price has bounced back and tested the topmost resistance level, which is around 1811. I am expecting a trend reversal to happen and the trend to go on a downside, because previously also we have noticed the price action taking resistance over here and a trend reversal has happened. To identify the trend reversal, please draw a trend line like this. Then once the price action breaks this support or trend line, you can go on a trade on the opposite direction. Currently it is still in a bullish trend and testing this resistance level, which is around 1811. Let us mark the support and resistance level for hourly time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently price action is in a bullish trend. It is forming some sort of red color candles, but wait for a confirmation on the trend reversal, then go on a trade in the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here we can clearly notice that the price got rejected at the level of 1785 and it was on a very nice uptrend. And currently price is getting rejected at the price level of 1811 and it is showing the sign of trend reversal. Wait for a confirmation on the trend reversal, then go on a trade in the bearish side. Currently the price action is trading within this support and resistance level of 1815 and 1785. It is a range bound market when we look at the price action from the 30 minutes time frame. To clearly understand the trend, you draw a channel pattern like this, connect the lower side, then connect the upper side. Now you have a bullish channel pattern over here. Once the price action breaches this support level of this channel pattern, you can take the trade on the bearish side. Let me mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values marked in the white color are support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame, and the values marked in the blue color are values of resistance and support in the higher time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. So I am in 5 minutes time frame now. The information we have from the higher time frame is the current price action is moving in a bullish channel pattern, and currently the price action has found resistance at the level of 1809 and we can see a consolidation happening over here. You can notice that a trend reversal is happening. It is going on a bearish trend. I am expecting it to take support over here on the channel pattern of the 30 minutes time frame. If it breaches this support level, we can expect a further fall and a trend reversal to happen. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading within the range level of 1809 and 1807. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.